is really brilliant. I don't want to steal her thunder. Tell them your first thing you don't want to spend money on.
I never spend money on a business class or first class plane seat. Forget it. I'm too cheap. What I do instead, however, is make my coach seat look better than all those suckers paying triple the price up in first class.
Triple the price? Have you priced it lately? It's more like 10 times the price.
Really? Is it that much? Oh, I don't care. They're foolish spending it. But what I do is I bring a napkin that's starched from home. I always bring 2 kinds of cheese, a soft and a hard cheese, right over here. Come on, have a seat. I'll show you what I'm doing.
How do you get the wine? Do you get that after you go through security?
What I do with the wine is I buy it at the airport after security because I don't want to wait for the stewardess to say, would you like something to drink? I'm already guzzling that wine by the time she hits.
So I buy the bread,
great linens,
beautiful food,
piece of fruit, either a croissant or bread, and all kinds of salami, my favorite. And I just sit there, and I'm telling you, people look at me with hate.
Adorable. I know, they're so jealous.
They're jealous. Even the people in the first class are smelling all this good stuff. I want some of that. You can't have it.
Do you know we have the greatest... We have the greatest green room food, I think, of any American television show, that's for sure. And our staff works so hard. It's like it's like a restaurant, a bistro in your dressing room, right?
Let me tell you, delicious.
So we have no shortage of great food here. Before the show today, all I was doing was snacking on what Barbara put together for the airplane.
Who wouldn't like this? Everything that everybody likes.
It's beautiful.
Come on over here.